If you ask young man, any average young man now, to tell you what is money, the first definition they tell you is cash. Money is not cash. There are 5 levels of money. And the least level of money is what you call cash.
Break them down.
The first level of money is what we call credibility. You can make a note on it. Credibility is things you do on a constant basis over a period of time that is recorded that people can trace to. And then people can say, this is who this person is. Credibility is the first level of money. The second level of money is what we call credible relationship. Credible relationship. You don't have cash, but you have me. And I can avail my credibility to you. If you go to Coscharis today, the cheapest car we sell is Chinese car, which is 32 million. If you ask us to give it to you, and in 2 weeks you will pay, you know we will not give it to you because we don't have record of your credibility. Okay. But if Dangote call us and say you are in our place and we should let you go with Range Rover, which is 450 million, or Rolls Royce, which is 1.4 billion, that you will pay in 2 weeks. And he knows you, if you didn't pay, he will pay. Do you think we'll let you go with the car?
Fast.
We will. Why? Because Dangote gave his word. He availed his credibility to you. You don't have it, but somebody availed it to you. You don't have cash, but you have somebody who can give you his credibility. That's another level of money. And that's why I tell young people, if a rich man gives you cash, he has cheated you. What you need is access. Let him keep his door open for you, that you can call him and he pick your call. Because that can put billions in your account, not 50,000 or 100,000 or 1 million naira. What you need from a wealthy man is access. So the first level of money is credibility. Second level of money is credible relationship. The third level of money is one of the most scarce commodity in Nigeria. And you can only make profit in a product that is not available. And that is called integrity. It's not in plenty supply. Not many places you can see it.
True.
So what is integrity? Integrity is not what you will do when people know. Integrity is what you will do if you know there's no way it can ever be discovered. Nobody can find out what you did and you still choose to do the right thing. That's my definition of integrity.
Wow.
The fourth level of money is what we call character.
Is character and integrity different?
They're different. Character is the foundation of any man's life, any woman's life. If this building wall crack, the material person will say, repair it. If the roof, really. But if foundation has problem, they will say, bring this building down. Character is a foundation of leadership. Character is not what many people understand it to be. That's why God is character. Why is God character? Because he's holy. The word holy refers to God. Character is like alphabet. 2 is 2 in Japan, in Saudi Arabia, in Dubai, in China. It doesn't become 3 in China. By 2 a.m., character is a statue like Victoria. It does not say, oh, this sun is too hot. Let me go in the shade. It doesn't say, oh, the rain is coming, typhoon is coming. Let me run under the table. You come there by 2 a.m. standing there. Any man or a woman that have a character will be successful and will make wealthy. But it doesn't come easy. Character is also very scarce. The fifth level of money is what we call competence. You got to know what you are doing. It's not just enough to speak in tongue. It's not just enough to pray. Because Some prayers we are making is useless. You pray in a miss when you are not doing the correct thing. You need to be competent. You need to be properly schooled. That's why people need to give themselves mentor. The last and the least level of money everybody understands what money is cash. Anybody who you see that have money and they doesn't have this 5 things is a thief. He stole the money.
Chai. Damn. Damn. Are you serious?
Because money is an exchange for a value. So if you have it and there's no value you delivered to get it, you stole it. That's why I don't respect many people. No matter how much money they have, I don't envy them. I don't feel excited about them. I don't feel terrific because they cannot show the means with which. That's why I don't respect a lot of people with all depth of sincerity.
I love the character part and the integrity you talked about. Now, for you, since you started your business to becoming this world that you are, is there been any unethical deal that was offered to you that you rejected?
Of course.
Can you give us some examples?
Of course.